Will Ford Ranger wheel spacers make a difference? If you are interested in buying new offset rings for off-road touring, you may have run across wheel spacers. By spacing the wheels out about 25mm and 30mm, spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The Ford Ranger wheel spacers are auto accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to wider tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. Simply put, 25mm to 2-inch is the best size range for Ford Ranger wheel spacers. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap. By increasing track width, the contact points of the tires are enlarged, which results in more stability and smoothness. For most car mods lovers, these Ford Ranger wheel spacers are the easier and most cost-effective way to get a more aggressive stance. Before installing wheel spacers for your Ranger, it is important to check that the spacers have the correct size of top and boot pattern for your Ford Ranger. Simply put, the Ford Ranger wheel spacers are almost the same as many low offset wheels. The best part is that a set of quality wheel spacers can provide a similar effect as offset wheels but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. BONOSS active cooling Ford Ranger wheel spacers are made of high-quality forged 60626 and 075T6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and toughness are greatly enhanced. Since aluminum alloy has good thermal conductive, the aluminum wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. BONOSS active cooling Ford Ranger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. After installation, these Ford Ranger wheel spacers become an essential part of your wheel combination.